Welcome to the Benefits of channel. Today let's explore the health benefits of rosemary, a gift from the garden. Nature holds many treasures. Among these treasures, herbs stand out for their versatility and benefits. Herbs are one of them. They are not just plants, they are nature's gift to us. For centuries, people have used herbs. They have been an integral part of human history. They use them for flavor and for health. From ancient remedies to modern cuisine, herbs have always been valued. Rosemary is a great example. This aromatic herb is more than just a kitchen staple. This wonder herb has amazing benefits. Rosemary smells wonderful. Its fragrance is both refreshing and invigorating. It can improve your memory. Studies have shown that rosemary can enhance cognitive function. It can even help your body fight disease. Its antioxidant properties are well documented. Let's explore the power of rosemary. This herb is a powerhouse of health benefits. This herb can boost your health. Whether in tea or a smoothie, rosemary adds a healthy touch. It can also add flavor to your food. From roasted vegetables to marinades, rosemary enhances every dish. Rosemary is a woody herb. It has tough, needle-like leaves. These leaves have a strong aroma. Think of pine and lemon. That's the scent of rosemary. The rosemary plant is native to the Mediterranean. Now, it grows all over the world. People love its beauty. They also love its taste. Rosemary is a popular herb in cooking. It's also used in cosmetics and perfumes. For a long time, people have used rosemary. Ancient cultures used it in medicine. They believed it could improve memory. They also used it for digestion and pain relief. Modern science backs up some traditional uses. Studies show rosemary can boost brain function. It may even help with Alzheimer's disease. This is due to its antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the brain from damage. Section 4. Rosemary for a healthy body and mind. Rosemary, a fragrant herb, has been cherished for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Rosemary is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants fight free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause harm to your body. Free radicals are bad for you. Free radicals are bad for you. They are linked to aging and various diseases, including cancer and heart disease. They damage cells and lead to disease. By neutralizing these free radicals, rosemary helps protect your cells and maintain overall health. Rosemary can help your body fight back. Incorporating rosemary into your diet can boost your immune system and improve your well-being. Rosemary is also good for digestion. It stimulates the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. It can ease bloating and gas. Drinking rosemary tea can provide relief from digestive discomfort. It can also soothe an upset stomach. The calming properties of rosemary can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Some people use rosemary to relieve pain. The essential oil of rosemary can be applied topically to alleviate muscle aches and joint pain. It may help with headaches and muscle pain. Massaging rosemary oil into your temples can provide relief from tension headaches and improve circulation. Section 5. Bringing rosemary into your life. Rosemary is a versatile herb that can enhance your daily life in many ways. It's easy to enjoy rosemary's benefits. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, incorporating rosemary into your meals is simple and rewarding. Add fresh sprigs to your cooking. The aromatic flavor of rosemary can elevate any dish. Rosemary goes well with chicken, adding a delightful herbal note. It also pairs wonderfully with fish and potatoes, giving them a unique and savory taste. You can also make rosemary tea. This herbal tea is not only delicious, but also soothing. Just steep a few sprigs in hot water. Let it sit for a few minutes to release its full flavor and benefits. Rosemary essential oil is another option. This concentrated form captures the essence of the herb. Use it in a diffuser to freshen the air. The calming scent can create a relaxing atmosphere in your home. You can also add a few drops to your bath. This can enhance your bathing experience. This can help you relax. The soothing properties of rosemary can ease stress and promote a sense of well-being. Section 6. Embrace the power of rosemary. Rosemary is a gift from nature. This incredible herb is good for your body and mind. It's a powerful antioxidant. It can boost brain function and aid digestion. You can use rosemary fresh, dried, or as an oil. Add rosemary to your life. Enjoy its amazing benefits. Cook with it, diffuse it, drink it as a tea. Let rosemary boost your health and well-being. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.